trains are running till 12th August as of now, and that date may be extended considering the current situation.
So what if that
I believe
happens,
it
right?
will So
So if the
SSBs are
date
happening right now.
in Mysore,
SSBs are happening right now, are going on right now. So I don't think they have factored in that people won't be able to come in. And there was uh, a video in which we were told that only 12 people were there for
yeah.
AFSB. So things like that will happen if trains are not started even after 12th August.
Okay. And the other thing is we don't have any quarantine policy or else rules, right?
At AFSB we don't have any, but I think all the like centralized trains are running. So just the Bangalore to Mysore trains are not running, and there are options like buses and cabs and everything. So I don't think there will be much problem because of state-wise lockdown.
Yesterday I got to know that these people like SSB Bangalore for Navy interview, they are asking people to go to be in quarantine for 14 days before attending interview.
Yeah. Man, the call letter was brutal. I mean, the clauses and everything.
Okay, 05.
Can we expect the same?
Turn on your video so that we can see you. Because I have started the recording for this session. And everyone is here. So we can start in a few minutes. Next minute. Zero 05, can you hear us? Because if you are speaking, you are on mute and we can't hear you.
Can you unmute 05 SM by from your end?
I'm trying unmuting him, but it's not working.
Zero 05 is Vaibhav, right?
Yeah. No, 05 is...
05 is, I guess, Yash. I'm not sure.
I'm 30.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
And he's texting me right.
Awesome.
Okay. Yash is in.
Yash is in. Oh, the Akash suddenly left.
Okay, I'll just text him quickly. Like within 1 minute, we'll start the discussion. I mean, there's no point in waiting.
Sure.
Am I clearly audible? Because I'm doubtful about my connection.
Yeah, till now
audible.
you're
30.
Okay, guys, I think we should start.
Yes, I also think that.
All right. Okay, someone else has joined again. I think it's Shravan. Shravan, can you please turn on your video and rename yourself quickly so that we can start? We're just waiting for that.
People.
Okay, so let's start. So the topic for the discussion is, here it goes. COVID cases in India has been increasing rapidly, and recently India has crossed 1 million mark. What do you think could be a primary reason behind this? Number 1, migrant workers movement. Number 2, increased testing by government. Or number 3, lack of social distancing resulting in community transmission. I'll repeat the topic once again. COVID cases in India has been increasing rapidly, and recently India has crossed 1 million mark. What do you think could be a primary reason behind this? Number one, migrant workers movement. Number two, increased testing by government. Number three, lack of social distancing resulting in community transmission. We can start now.
Chairman, recently the coronavirus crisis has increased above 1 million mark as the assessor suggested. I think it is due to the increased number of testing, because over the recent few weeks the testing has increased very much.
Yeah, this is a positive aspect that my friend has suggested that the increased testing has resulted in the increased number of cases, but it is a positive aspect. We can't take it as a negative. But the other thing is, so it has also spread to the villages as well. Like we have seen in the recent days, after the relaxation of the lockdown, people have started moving to migrant villages, especially migrant workers, and not especially migrant workers, everyone. So this has attributed to the increase in the COVID-19 cases in India, and this will go on unless and until we stop the provide them financial assistance as well as other assistance.
Right. So I'll agree with what 21 said. So our data shows that the number of cases rapidly showed a sharp curve increase, because when the lockdown was lifted after June, and when the migrant workers were when the migrant workers started moving, their movement was allowed, interstate movement was allowed, it got resulted in a steep increase in the numbers. And just to take the example of Karnataka state, when there was lockdown, they were specifically in the Bangalore city, the cases were only 450, 500. As soon as the lockdown was lifted and movement of people, interstate movement of people was allowed, it resulted in sharp increase of the number of cases. So now Karnataka is saying at least 2,000 to 2,500 cases a day, which clearly shows that irrespective of the testing, the virus was transmitted by the movement of people.
Yeah.
Okay. The virus is
the
not as
nature of
airborne
coronavirus
as other viruses. That's why it can't spread through air. It spreads through people to people, right? So that's why
there has been some recent evidence by the WHO. There has been some recent evidence by the WHO that the virus is actually airborne.
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
but
totally agree with
not
that.
to that extent.
I would like to bring
Not to
everybody's
that
attention
extent, because
on
it
how
can't
it all
stay
started.
in the aerosol for so long. It can't stay in the aerosol for so long. That's why you can't say that it is completely airborne. It is a little bit like every other virus is completely airborne. It is not.
Okay, so
that's why
researches are still going on. So I would like to bring
lack of
everybody's
social
attention on how
distancing.
it all started. So in the beginning, the WHO has specifically mentioned that proactive tracking is the only solution to containing the spread of the virus. So I think the primary reason behind this, in the very beginning, is we didn't track the cases properly. I mean, the government authorities were not trained enough. Like they didn't know what exactly to do when you have a COVID-19 cases. I mean, it took us so much time to develop our own testing facilities.
No, it's not about that, because like if you think about it, India was one of the primary countries to put lockdown at the very earlier stages, and they put lockdown in the month of March. So at that time,
India
have cases.
But due to the lack of information, there has been problem controlling it.
Tackle this.
That's why
India is
it was
testing very
difficult
much, and as US President Donald Trump stated a few days ago, that India is probably the second country with the highest number of tests. On the first, it is the US, and the second one is India. So, but the problem is again that the cases are coming up because of the fact that people migrated from one place to another after the lockdown were eased. Not just the migrant labor, but there was a buses of Sikh pilgrims in Mumbai which came back to Punjab, and quite a lot of people were tested positive from that bus. So
compared to number of cases throughout the country, guys, the migrant worker crisis doesn't contribute so much to the cases. I mean,
now
still
it
have
will show
the
up,
number of cases.
start contributing, because if you think about it, the cases in Bihar and
It will
Uttar
show up
Pradesh
because
are
of
on rise right now, and
Yeah,
people
has been
by
increased
itself,
recently.
by
testing
itself, the migrant
facility
worker
and
crisis.
beds in the countries, in the states like Bihar, which shows that all the
Yes,
migrant workers that
I
move,
agree.
everything has started showing up now. All the cases,
So I
all the
believe what
Yes,
what
but the migration
test number
itself
20 is
doesn't
trying to say is
increase the
that
number of cases. It is the people that spread it. If it's their negligence, because they are not following social distancing norms, that's
The
why it's
person to
spreading
people
more.
movement has increased.
I would
People to
like to
people
state
movement
an
has increased
example
nowadays.
of the Kerala
People have
Kerala
started
state
moving
government.
interstate.
Okay, so what they
as more and
exactly
more
did
things
is
will open.
they started
No,
tracking the cases. So number 20 just said that tracking is not the main issue. So I would like to explain what exactly is tracking. So once a person is affected, once a person is contaminated by COVID-19, we need it's a urgent need that how many people has he been has he been contact with in the past 10 to
tracking
15
has
days.
not been a
So
good. Yes. Test number 30 we understand, but tracking has not been very useful solution with places with high population density. Take the example of New York. Tracking has not been very beneficial. There are a lot of cases there, or any other big cities. Uh, and for if India is, as we all know,
Yeah,
that the
exactly.
population
Advocate your
density is
point. Like
extremely high. So
In India, with increasing number of cases, we can't make that contact tracing successful, because see, the people to
yeah,
people movement has been increased these days.
yes.
People have started moving from one state to another, and they are going to their offices, and there are people who even moving from one place to another in search of jobs these days.
So
So we can't
exactly,
just
I agree with
make
what
that
Yes,
contact
Dhiren
tracing
said.
social
The
because
successful.
of
result
the
of which
people and the
in the
migrant
Bangalore
labor,
they have recently
basically.
put the lockdown of 10 days. What was the reason behind it? Were they not doing enough testing? It was because when they lifted the lockdown, migrant workers moved, and it mainly rose due to the people coming from the Maharashtra, which
Yeah.
resulted in the rapidly increasing number of cases, due to which they had to put another lockdown. So by
Yeah.
lockdown, we are
Friends, lockdown is
I
the
agree
only
with
possible
this.
solution.
due
Like
to
lockdown is
various
the
that's
only
the
reasons,
primary
cases had
reason, and like
increased.
millions of people in
Due to
resulting in
various
the
reasons,
virus.
cases had increased incredibly, right? But those have increased in the previous few months. As per the recent thing, in the recent times, those cases are coming out because of increased number of testing. Most of the people that come out as positive are either in contact with someone who has already been positive, or in some quarantine facility, or in some sealed area.
That's
So
right. If the people of
testing has
if the
increased,
movement
that's
of
why
people was restricted, then even if we increase the number of testing, like we won't find positive people, right? We
Yes,
find
we are
positive
finding
people
positive people
because the
because
virus
there
got
are
spread.
people
because
infected. Yes,
That's right. That's
it
right.
is
yes,
what
they
you
are
are saying.
infected, they didn't
Point
come
raised by
out.
20 is exactly right at this situation. Like, see, testing should be done.
If we
Testing should be
test
done in
even
more
more,
numbers, such that we can save the lives of people who are being infected. That is one point. The other
so
point is lockdown is the only possible solution before us. We can't let it spread to the villages where we can't control the spread further. Like in villages, we can't control the spread, right? So it is only possible if we contain this virus in the cities only. Like
no,
in the
I'll
cities, it has
disagree
So
with you
already
this
tested.
because
is not as
I
simple
believe
as it sounds, because a prolonged lockdown
no
is not
cannot.
practically
Yes, exactly.
feasible, because people
To
are
impose
anyway dying without food. Why will they care if they die because of coronavirus? So
and
I
again with
mein,
that
this
we are
is
in a
serious.
stage
I
where we have
mean it when I
started
say
Currently,
to
people
we
are
run up the
dying.
economy, and
have
there
around
has
1
been a
million
lot of
cases.
yeah.
Yes,
So what is saying?
in
What I
India,
am being
currently we
trying.
have around 1 million cases. So
So if we test even more,
it
we will
is very
have
much
even more
possible
cases.
that the total number of the actual number of cases could be more than 1 million. It could be around 2 or 3 million.
It
So
definitely is.
Totally
due to
agree
increased
with
number
that.
of testing, those
I need
But
the
people will
most
get
the
infected.
reason
important
is
thing
That
that
doesn't
we
what
mean
can
we are
do
that the
right now
discussing
virus
is
here
is
is
ramp
like
up
spreading
our
what was the
faster.
reason
Doesn't
healthcare
that it
mean
crossed
facilities.
1
that
million mark,
the numbers
rather
are
than thinking about
increasing
like
So what?
those are
it will
already
have more
increased.
cases.
So taking this
Friends,
discussion
test
back
number
to
30 has raised a
taking
nice
this
question. Like
discussion.
he has said that lockdown will not work for longer duration. See, lockdown will work for longer duration if we restrict the travel. If we have to restrict the travel from state to state, right? Because we are thinking to let people live so that they will earn some money. So it doesn't seem like people should be traveled from one state to another.
So
for the money or else for food.
Practically, this is also contracting. Let's just take an example of SSB aspirant. The defense minister can't keep the academies empty because they need men standing at our borders. They need men in the army right now, so they can't keep the academies empty. This is just a
guys, we are drifting away. We are drifting away. The point of the whole GD was
coming back to the topic,
that India crossed 1 million mark. What was the reason behind that? Now we don't want to discuss like what can be done or what should be done. We should need to discuss what was the reason. Migrant movement.
So
I think that they should increase the testing because as many people, if more people are getting detected at an early stage, it would be easier to cure them, right?
So that's totally right. But again, like if the movement of people is limited, then like even if we increase the testing by 10 times or 20 times, we won't find much cases. The testing had to be increases. Like the main target is to test as much as possible. To test as much as the population of India.
You have to provide them financial support. Like in the very beginning, the central and state governments have provided them financial assistance, right? Yeah,
okay, totally agree with you, 27. But we also need to focus on healthcare facilities. Just by conducting the tests, this is not a solution. I mean, healthcare facilities. With healthcare facilities, I also mean that if a person is detected COVID positive, we need to contain him. I have seen there are instances in Delhi. These are like recorded instances when a positive person is not contained properly. And these are like straightforward cases of the virus getting other healthy people getting contaminated right in front of the authorities. So we also need to ramp up our healthcare facilities, and that's the most feasible solution.
That is why we had the lockdown to delay the peak, so that we would be more ready. Our medical facilities would be more ready for the virus as we delayed the peak due to the lockdown.
And just to give you case in point, recently the cases in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh are increasing because the movement of migrant workers that move from Delhi, Maharashtra, or other states to their hometown or villages in Bihar. Right now, the situation is very critical. There are not enough number of health workers to test everyone, which means that
I agree with
huge migrant of people spreaded the virus. So that's why
I agree with just number 20. And the thing is that Bihar migrants cannot be, said that the 10 million cases are because of them. But then they did lay the foundation, took the virus to some places where it was safe earlier. And then from 1% it got to 10%. And then since it is an epidemic, it followed, large number of cases followed suit. So it did lay the foundation in
overnight. Will you agree with this point? We can't build things overnight. We are saying about health infrastructure in India. This cannot be developed in a single day. Like we have to contain the spread. That is the first thing. We can't just build things. We can't build infrastructure. We can't improve infrastructure in this small, short duration of time.
Thousands of doctors graduating
one thing is
basically it is not only about building things. It's about every one of us that we should all follow the norms strictly. We should follow every social distancing norm strictly, so that it wouldn't spread further.
In addition to that,
those will come out.
I would like to add one more point to that. See, we have to sort out things what are important and what are not. Like chess number 30 has said, because people forces people in forces should have to travel from one place to another. That is mandatory for the security of the nation. But that is an emergency situation. Like that is emergency, and even health workers or else doctors have to travel from one place to another. That is an emergency. We can't compare with that situation with other things like people moving from one place to another in terms of jobs, right? Because in this situation, we can't let people to move.
Yes, exactly. So what 27 is said, I agree to that.
Maintain some areas, contained areas,
so that we have to restrict the movement of migrant workers which are moving from one state to another, and to give them basic essential items. Centers and ration shop needed to be set up by government, so that the only thing why they moved, because they didn't have job, they didn't have money, and they didn't have money to eat food. So that's why they are migrating to their hometown, so that they can work there, they can grow their own food there, and basically survive. So the need.
So the government has actually started Manrega campaigns in the villages, so that they can.
But that should have been done way earlier before the migrant.
Are the reasons why the cases increase so much? And those are
As
slowly
we are
coming out.
talking about why we crossed 1 million, I also think education plays a big factor over here, because right now we can see people are playing politics. There are marches on the roads. There are people going to temples and everything right that time. I mean, being alive is should be the only priority right now among people, and still all these things are happening. Why? Don't they know that this is deadly? They know
So
that this is
what
contagious, but people are
Those
still
people
doing
are
it. We
simply
need to
being negligent
educate those
because
masses.
recently,
people are
because
neglecting
recently
the social
people have been
distancing norms
going to
because
even funerals of those people who died due to coronavirus.
So we can attribute
So
this point
that
to
is
the
simply
field of the
stupidity.
lead of social
So
distancing
they need
norms.
to be
yeah.
Right, social
more
distancing is
careful
not being
about.
followed in many states,
Okay,
and
guys,
even
last
in
five
villages,
minutes.
social distancing is not being followed.
I would also like to bring everybody's attention on the exact figures right now. In the rural areas, still the figures like the cases in rural areas still contribute to 15% to total of the cases. I mean, it's been 2 months the migration has started. It takes 14 days, or mostly it takes 1 month to spread the virus if it is spreading because of the migrant workers. So I mean, we need to assess why it is spreading so much into the metro
Because
areas. I mean,
yes,
the migrant workers are
it
not
is
going over there.
because in villages they are following it more strictly compared to the urban areas, which is very shocking. They have created even huts for people who for migrant workers who are coming back to their villages outside of the village, so and making them follow the quarantine rules, because of which
This is happening
the
in only
virus
So
few
hasn't
villages.
spread
I'll give
very
you
much into the
we
village.
have Karnataka state as a clear-cut example, because if you think about it, the cases in Maharashtra were on rise and were highest in the country, and that time Karnataka was at the cases of around 10,000 or 12,000 at max. As soon as the
so
lockdown
yeah,
got
as
lifted
you have
after
given this
June, the
example
migrant
earlier.
workers moved, and also which show that there were there were increase in number of the cases. So we cannot say that
Kerala is
the migrant
also
workers
a
are
similar
not the
example.
reason behind it. Yes, exactly.
Friends, we have to
Kerala is
focus on the
also a
social
similar
distancing
example.
norms as well. Like if
So
we contain them in one place, social distancing norms should be made mandatory for them, and there has to be a regulatory authority. Like policing is very much required, because we can't restrict them for a whole period by using words. So we have to use action as well to contain the spread in any social isolation areas. Because see, in rural slums, or else even in urban slums, social distancing norms are like just like words. They cannot be implemented in a simple way. So we have to shift them from one place to another, even in a ground, or else like chess number 5 has stated that we have to build huts, and we have to make use of any other opportunity that
So
we have
just to give
to.
you another case in point example, we all know the case of Dharavi, where like it was very highly
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
dense population, and the virus was contained. How? Because there were like many health workers who were going door to door and educating them to not move to, and they were taking care of anyone who has shown the symptoms and isolating them. So which means that
Exactly.
Eventually they had to
I would
abandon
also
that
like to bring
strategy
everybody's
because
attention
of,
on
so
the
because
that
they
role
they
of
didn't
should
keep
media
it
move
that they
long.
are
to contain the
playing.
virus.
There
So
were
media
around
need to
5
be
to 10 lakh
conscious,
of
and they
people
need to realize
living
their
in Dharavi. Yes, so they had to change their strategy. They went to screening. They used speakers and told everyone that if they're having symptoms, they should come straight away to the health workers, and they get tested for coronavirus. So they had increased testing very much, and that's why these people came out and these people were detected, and those were simply
exactly.
quarantined
So
so that before they
so
could further spread it.
why it reached 1 million mark. So I mean, concluding remarks I would like to give. So firstly, social distancing, people need to really follow social distancing, and they need not forget at any time that this is contagious, and this is indeed very deadly. Second thing, I would like to bring everybody's attention on the role of media. Now, the media, they are simply drifting away from main points over here and focusing on other things just for the TRP. I mean, there are masses who need to remind it again and again, and that is the role of state media, country media, to keep the masses updated and keep them educated and help the government with that. So the third thing, now, I mean, the contact tracing can't be done right now. So we need to improvise at every step. this is way more complex than it sounds. So this is not as
Actually,
simple as
contact
if we follow
tracing
2-3
is
things.
being done, and it is very helpful, and it should be kept going because people are traveling from one place to another, and it is one of the best tools to fight this. At the same
Yeah.
time, people can't stay in quarantine forever. They will move. They will move. That's why if we increase the testing, more
Okay,
number
guys, I
of
think
cases
time's up.
will be
We have
detected in
crossed
an
like
early
16,
stage, and
17
more
minutes.
people
I think we
can
can
move
finish the
in
discussion
future.
now. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay. All right. So yeah, we've reached around 15 minutes, 15, 16 minutes. Yeah. I think
We should keep it to 10.
yeah, we should have kept it 10 minutes. Then I lost track of time. Okay. All right.
Okay, cool.
Okay, cool. So like if anyone has any feedback for any of us, we can share that, and then we can close the call. If anyone has any feedback in general or for anyone specific.
So I thought the topic was a little bit flat, if you ask me, because all the 3 points were essentially important, right?
Yeah, we can't just
The
stick to one
only-
point, right?
Yeah, so it was very hard to stick to one particular point because in a lot of topics we find that is the case, but then there it was a bit, because in these current times we have to track, we have to keep the lockdown, it's all the things that we have to do, right? So we cannot, and because the cases reached 1 million mark, because obviously people were not following social distancing, then the movement of migrant workers laid the foundation for that.
So the social,
And
the
also,
one point I just want to tell that Indian government has not yet accepted that the virus has spread through community transmission. The first state which accepted it was Kerala, which accepted recently that there had been cases of community transmission. Right. So as of now, the lack of social distancing has not yet been officially claimed or officially told the reason of the increase in the number of virus spread. So
Friends,
So-
I thought
so
that
three
the
reason
reason,
but it has not been officially
as
confirmed. Right. And
yes,
but it
ICMR says that through social through contact
guys, let's just keep this to the feedback. Let's just keep this
Okay.
to feedback.
Let's
Let's
keep
not
this
go
way.
into the group discussion once again.
let's put an end to this discussion and see. I thought that SSB Sure Shot Academy, which all of us might have known about it, they have sorted out the group discussion topics, which are actually important at this point of time. Like not like coronavirus and many other things like multilateralism and China's domination in South China Sea, and as well as aggression towards India. So this things have a
Okay.
broad aspect to cover. So it will give everyone an opportunity to say points which are new, not exactly the same points the other person says.
over
Right?
and over again.
Okay,
Yes.
just
So-
chase number
So
27.
where are
what
those
we
topics?
do
Are
after-
those topics available on the website?
I'll just share it in this group, in this WhatsApp
Okay.
group, so that every person will get to
We
know
can
about it, and we can
Choose a topic.
discuss
Yeah,
about it.
Okay.
sure.
Number
sure.
And the other thing
27.
is
What
like,
we do
I have a
after
doubt.
every GD is okay. So okay, just go on with your doubt.
So the doubt is like, our topic as of now is we have 3 leads. So can we just go beyond that leads and go for the solutions? So in this discussion, our focus was on the reasons for the spread, right?
Yeah, I think like we should stick to what all the points are and what we choose and speak about that.
Because the topics are basically broad. Like we can't roam around. We can't touch every aspect within 10 minutes, and everybody has to speak.
No,
Also,
I'm
one
on
more
the
thing,
interview, like,
SSB
when we are giving the GD in the SSB, so like can we speak to the other points as well? Like for example, there's a lack of awareness and the media is not talking about it. So that was not present in the 3 points that were in the topic. So can we speak about it, or like should we stick to only the 3 points that are provided by the SSR?
I think we should stick
Stick
to
to the
the
3 point.
topic given by the SSL.
Okay.
Yeah, even I agree with that point, because see, if the GD doesn't have leads, it will have no boundaries. Like we can talk anything. So the leads are given us only to restrict our views, or else arts to that points.
Yes, to confine
Okay,
our topics
Yeah.
discussion to those 3 particular topics.
So
Maybe we can state these ideas or these other things, which things like the awareness media and all of that stuff in as a sub point to a particular like, so if someone is defending a point related to that social media is not being done, we can say that this is because the media is not spreading awareness. It can be used as a sub point, but it cannot become a plot on its own.
Okay, I personally tried to raise this point. Now I need a feedback on this. I personally tried to raise this
So I'll
point
share
as a
those
sub point
videos.
on awareness, but at last I wanted to touch this point. Like, I mean, it was an important aspect of awareness. So the main topic was why we have reached 10 million. So there were three aspects over it, and I wanted to take this as a sub point, but in the last it just came out like that. So any of you have any personal suggestions for any of us? I mean, it can be a body language, or it can be any point that's stuck in your mind that you can. I mean, we do this after every CD. So, any of you have
So
anything?
shall we start with the first one, chess number 30? Just give personal opinion on about every one of us, and we'll just continue like that.
Okay, so I think I didn't find too many facts. I mean, the issue was latest, and we are seeing it on news every day. So I found we were roaming, like we were revolving around the same points and just using other words or restructuring the sentences. Sriniket had good facts over here, so he stated some facts. So I personally I thought had to know more. I needed to know more. I needed to put forward some points factually, and that's it. I mean, everybody was good.
Okay. Then
yeah, even I agree with him.
Yeah, 27. You can speak.
So I thought in the same way, like we are from the main topic. That is one point, and the other thing is this thing doesn't have much facts involved with it. So even then, we have included some facts. And the other thing that I would like to tell chess number 20 is that he's not looking at the camera. I don't know, like.
No, I have two screens. So like my camera, like my main laptop is niche, and like the desktop is
okay.
That's why.
Nothing more than that. Thank you.
Okay, 09. If you have anything to add or feedback.
No, not really. I mean, I was just today. This was basically for me it was like an introductory session today. I was just seeing okay how things are going on. So from the next time, I think we can do better. I'll be sharing my feedback. Yeah, although on chess number 5, is he here? Yeah, what I felt that you know what I know. One thing I noticed that you at different points of time you were defending different points. Now I'm not sure if this is right or wrong, but I observed that you were doing that at one particular point. You were saying that people are not following social distancing norm, and then there was at one point you were defending the point that the number of tests have gone up. That's why the number of cases have gone up. So what I have been told that this is not the way to go about group discussion in GTO. So I'm not sure with that, but that's one thing I observed. What I was trying to do is choose a point and defend it throughout and throughout. So that's my feedback for you. Besides that, I think it was all good.
To the first point that we have set the ground, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes. 05, if you have anything to add or anything to say.
Yes, we were repeating the same points, and we were drifting away from the main topic. We've drifted twice. One time chess number 20 brought us back, one time chess number 5 brought us back, and chess number 27, please keep your camera still at a distance so that so that it's easier to
it kind of distracts
observe the body language.
I'll definitely look into it.
I think chess number 30 had too much of hand movement during the GD. Yes. That's what I have.
Okay, I'll summarize. So the discussion went good. Next time we'll try to keep it for 10 minutes. I think that's the time that we get in the SSB. Because what happens is like if we are discussing, then when it reaches after 10 minutes mark, then you start repeating the sentence, and just to be keep us satisfactory that okay, we have contributed. But in actually we won't be not contributing really. because we'll be speaking same points again and again. Like even I spoke the same point of the Maharashtra migrant workers twice, or maybe thrice. So like this then doesn't make sense. It's not called contributing. It is just like you are speaking. That's it. So from next time we'll try to keep it for 10 minutes, sharp 10 minutes, right? And then after that we won't discuss it anymore. So that like our points are unique and we have spoken for like quite a good time. Apart from that, in terms of communication, everything was good. I didn't find it any problem with that. Just that like we kind of as everyone said, we should stick to the 3 points that are provided and pick anyone, defend it, speak about it, and contribute more just with that point, rather than like discussing more or like ये हो जाता तो वैसा हो जाता, वो भी कर सकते थे, ये भी कर सकते थे. So because like there's a reason that why we are given these 3 points, then we should
these 3 leads, yeah.
So I think that's it. Let's have another group discussion soon. Okay.
Okay, so before we end, do you think conducting a PPDT over a video call is like doable?
I think we can do it.
At least we'll get that practice of narration, right?
Yeah,
I think we can do story writing as well.
Story writing as well. Yes, we can. One of us can share the screen and keep the timer on. SN and I, we have been doing this from past few days. So I think that is doable. The PPDT is at least doable, and then we can have a very short, like the narration. 1 minute will give 1 minute to everyone to speak their story, and then a very quick and short discussion of 5 to 10 minutes. That
and exactly, it will cover all the 3 aspects.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, we can definitely do the complete part.
So in the coming week, like next week, let's plan for a PPT discussion. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or like let's from the next time, let's be on time. Like we can't waste like half an hour just to join a
Yeah, just waiting. Yeah, sorry, I was late today because I was sleeping.
Okay.
So
all right.
I'll be on time next time.
That's it. Let's meet another next time, guys. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Okay, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Have a nice
Take
day.
care. Be safe. Be healthy.